Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Wagwan my people, me there again, you know. Big up, respect, manners to each and every one. Alright, now, first things first. I am going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and based on some things that I saw and heard in this video, I got the understanding that a female who you can hear talking in this video told a man who you can see in this video to get out of our house or to leave our house, and she also accused the man of hitting her. The video also shows at least 2 persons wearing uniforms, and you can hear when the man who the female accused of hitting her said officer while talking to those persons who you can see wearing uniforms. Now my people, based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, I would like you to tell me what you think. I would like you to tell me what would you do if you was a man who find yourself in a situation like this. Observe.
Get a job, my boss. The people them call me and she bust off me. She send her 3 police call me on her phone. Check it if you think a lot. She don't answer none of them. Me sit down here humble, my brother. Wait on the girl. Me no cause no argument. You see when she come, she a laugh. Me no say nothing. If you stay the argument, me take me key and me go to the lady, because the lady say me to come anytime she come. Right? You see when me go, me there at the interview I do me thing. She call me, ask me what me do. Turn to and say you make me miss the lady, call, me sit down and wait for you, me in the office with the lady. That's a problem? Ask me, that's a problem?
So that give way to bang me up?
No. Stick a pin, you know don't make she hear.
Yeah.
Make she hear already, you know. She have the choice to me stay. You see, true, me no come, brother, it cause the argument, because I make to stay with you. The father no want the youth, the granny no want the youth. None of them no want to stay with the youth. Alright, me go ask you the intelligent officer now. Because me know you not from here neither, you know. Me go ask you because me know you. If your stepmother not like you the guy here for Christmas dinner? I want you to answer me the question then. Don't laugh. You the guy here for Christmas dinner, brother? Okay. She want to force me to go to her mother, to go make up with her mother. And her mother don't like me. So what's
wrong with that?
Her mother go like me.
What's wrong with that?
Your mother.
That's why I don't want you around me.
We don't want to know any. The mother come
You just, Lord, me no comfort, me no want you. Me just want him out me home.
The mother fling down the little panty them when she bring for her grandkid them, brother.
I just want you out my life.
And she turned to her mother and asked her mother, you can't say good night. You know the mother turned to her and said good night for which piece of man. And the mother step out. You check it out.
I know I see why they don't like you.
Now. She want everything to go her way. You see, from one sitting to go her way, brother, everything get knocked.
That give you right to hit me?
To me now. She
Because I say I can call the police?
She always have a reason to box me, brother. Me take.
Me ask with a look.
You check it out.
Baba, he not throw me down with you. He not throw me down with you. I want you out me house, boy.
Check it out. She don't
want to
with her daughter. The father don't want the daughter, my brother.
No worry, we are going to get me job and find a better job. Don't worry.
You know how Jamaican documents very hard to get, right?
You know where Jamaican?
Paper in there.
Me ask you, a pick paper where she rip up. You don't do nothing for me. You don't pay no bills for me. You don't pay no water bill, you don't pay no coke bill, buy food stuff, nothing. And me I support you. You had to tell me to buy back the paper. But you not got no point. You not got no point. Just get out me house now. I want you out me house. Me not care what you tell him. Just tell him go. I'm fed up. Because this ain't the first time he put his hands on me. Because of nonsense. Because he's stupid old friggin' Jeep. I need you out me house. Go. Go. Me no care. Me no care. Me no care. Me no care. Nothing don't go me way when he come on you.
She want a war, brother. Me no war with the girl. The girl in here la box me and all.
The boy is a lawyer. So how me no gonna go work?
This is true. She no get her satisfaction.
How me no want bring neighbors involved? I could bring the neighbor them involved because all of them know what you just do me.
Can't believe.
All of them know.
Apartment for she just to come here and come stay with the youth.
And me vex.
How best messed up the life.
Me vex.
The mother and the child father go against my brother and say they don't want me around the youth. Till he reach to a point she call her mother to stay with the youth, the mother don't want to stay with the youth. So how me can be a bad person? Tell me.
Yo, it doesn't matter. Me child is a disgusting child. Me no want nobody else swallow. Just go. Thank you. He mash up me TV. He gonna replace it back. That is a smart. It's a smart TV. He want back his bed replaced. Okay. You could go. Tell him if he gonna replace what me TV, please. Oh. But boy, come get your ass out me house with you no license. He don't got no license. Come go out me house and me support you. Go.
Let me do this.
Go. I want you out me house. See how we got in here. Me could got in here look so. Me could got in here look so. Boy, go. Me ask you come on. Look, go man. Go with the toilet. Baba help me. Go. Let me go please. Let me go. Me don't want him no more. Let him go. I'm fed up by him because he's not a noise man, he's a lawyer. This is why me mother not like him.
This is not the first
This is why me mother not like him. I'm gonna flip a tunnel. You see her? This is why me mother not like you. Go up me out. You see everybody inside the point don't know what kind of person you be. When you tell the officer them lies back. This is why me mother not like you. I'm vexed, mister. Because my mother ain't want me. Let him go. Let him go. Cause he don't do nothing for me. Me not gonna lose nothing. Let him go. Let him go. Me not gonna lose nothing. He mash up me TV. You don't got nothing to offer me. Nothing. He's a girl beater. That's why Nicky run for me and the policeman pull a gun pan you. Cause you know what kind of man you be. When you don't tell the policeman them all of that. Sick and fed up with your rat now. Oh, you go! He can't fit in the old Jeep. Me no care! You got to go! Go by your mother! He got mother up Greenland. Let he go! Let he go! Let he go! He's a wicked man. And they want to check me that in Jamaica, but he gonna send people killer. We don't talk about that.
Toxic, you know? Toxic. You see me I say? So she accused him of hitting her and him accused her of hitting him. Yeah, you my people. In my point of view, if they can't agree, I better them part ways. See me I say, better them part ways, you know? Yeah, if one of those persons don't have nowhere to go, then try take a time and make arrangement and part ways. Because in my point of view, you know, look like certain things are going well. That's all. You see? Now, I don't mean to be disrespecting no way. You see what I say, my people? But let me tell you something. Yes, one time a woman leave from wherever she come from and go live inside of a man's house, and if she not pay no bills, a lot of people now look on that situation as embarrassing, you know. But you see, when you is a man and you leave from wherever you're from, whether you want to leave from Westmoreland, go all the way to Portland, or from Jamaica, go somewhere overseas and go live in a woman's house, and if you not pay no bills and you can't buy food and certain things or whatsoever, a lot of people will look upon that situation as embarrassing, you know. Not everybody, but a lot of people. You see me I say? You can go as far as say some people. You see me, my people, me tell you something. You see certain things what a female can do without seen as embarrassing to some people, a man cannot do without it seen as embarrassing to some people. That's what I ask my people. Yeah, man. But anyways, my people, you can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. I'm going to move on to another video. Now, people use padlocks to keep doors, gates, and even toolbox locked and secure, right? Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a padlock on what I call a iron structure. And would I like you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think, my people. Observe.
Alright, this is one of the issues we have here with Ward 8. This is one of our seclusion room. If you look right now, our seclusion room is locked. What's going on here? See? This is what we are dealing with on Ward 8 right now. This is what we have to deal with.
Mistakes do happen, don't it? Yeah, man, mistakes do happen. Yeah, mistakes do happen. How people? I think it is best that whosoever is responsible for that door get a better padlock. Yeah, cause that padlock, it'll work, but it not really work to keep that door locked. How about that? A door yeah man, that look like something from my iron door. Yeah man. Yes, so I left it to my people. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.